This is the third video in my series on the bandsaw. In the previous two, we've looked at how to set up and maintain the bandsaw to be able to achieve really accurate and reliable results. And we've looked at a range of techniques and jigs. In this video, we're going to be looking further at a range of advanced bandsawing techniques. We will look at converting planks from a round and wobbly log, the consistent cutting of very thin and accurate veneers, three-dimensional cuts for shapes like a traditional cabriole leg, using a template and guide to get consistent curves, and some very accurate joint cutting including stub tenons, wedged tenons, slightly trickier offset tenons, and also a very fast and accurate way to cut the very traditional through dovetail.